If you want to factory reset your Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus by using settings, then first of all, of course, we need to open settings. Next, we're gonna tap on About Phone. In here, scroll down in order to find the factory reset option. Then in factory reset, we have the summary of everything that will be removed, which is pretty much everything. So remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process. Once you're ready, tap on Erase All Data and enter your screen lock password, and most likely you will have this option that allows you to create a backup before you erase everything, so you still have a chance to back up data before you remove everything from your phone. But once you're ready, you want to tap on Factory Reset, and you can also clear eSIM data. There we go. We have the attention information, which is just the summary and information that everything will be gone. So after 10 seconds, you can tap on Next, and then if it appears again, then of course you want to do that again and until you actually factory reset the phone. Subscribe to my channel.